Okay. All right. Well, warm welcome to everyone joining us today. I am Katelynn. I am the founder of Partners in Bookkeeping and the creator of our Factor Coaching Program. I have a little bit of value for you today, so hopefully it'll give you that value. And then, of course, we do offer bookkeeping services specifically for REI. So we're diving deep into the world of this specialized bookkeeping for real estate investors and exploring how this can make a significant difference in your investment journey. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this is where we want to be. I do want to mention a little bit earlier, we were talking about contractors. If you have utilized contractors, don't forget on the bookkeeping aspect, you do need to provide 1099s by January 31st to any contractor that you paid more than $600 for any of your entities. So keep that in mind as we come through here. And otherwise, this isn't just about me sharing information. It's about us learning and growing together. So I encourage you to be an active part of this. And if you have questions, please drop them in the chat. If you have your own insights or experiences to share, I'd love to hear them as well. As we progress through the presentation, I'll address your questions and thoughts, trying to make it a little bit more specific to your specific concerns and interests. My goal is that you leave this with actionable knowledge and a clearer understanding of how bookkeeping and strategic coaching can transform your real estate investments to help you grow. So the heart of real estate investments can be accurate financial tracking. Otherwise, you don't know where you're at. So this is a fundamental aspect that often decides the fine line between success and setback. In the world of REI, the accuracy of financial records is not just a matter of compliance. It's like a backbone of strategic decision making. Why? Because every decision you make, from acquiring new properties to budgeting for renovations, relies heavily on the clarity of your financial picture. So accurate bookkeeping allows you to have a real-time understanding of your financial health, empowering you to make decisions based on facts instead of assumptions. So let's consider what happens when financial tracking is off the mark. Inaccurate records can lead to a domino effect of negative outcomes, from misjudged cash flows that result in missed opportunities, or worse, financial overextensions. Errors in expense tracking can lead to budget overruns or eroding your profit margins. And perhaps most critically, it can lead to a faulty assessment of your investment's performance, which misleads you about its true profitability or viability. So therefore, accurate financial tracking is not just about keeping your books in order. It's about laying a foundation for informed, strategic, and ultimately successful real estate investment decisions. I'll show you how specialized bookkeeping tailored specifically for REI can transform this challenge into your strategic advantage. In our journey as REI, recognizing and avoiding common financial pitfalls is key. Typical errors range from misclassification of expenses to neglecting regular reconciliations, which can significantly distort your financial understanding. It's not just about recording transactions, it's ensuring each entry accurately reflects your real estate activities. So by being aware of these pitfalls and implementing diligent bookkeeping practices, you safeguard your investments from these avoidable mistakes, ensuring a clearer path to success. Every REI journey is unique, which is why off-the-shelf bookkeeping solutions often fall short. Jim had mentioned a little bit ago that you don't want somebody who specializes in everything, the plumber, the electrician, the contractor. You want to make sure that they are specialized in your field. And the same thing applies to bookkeeping. REI has a lot of unique ventures inside of it, within it, that standard bookkeeping may not be able to address. So whether you're dealing with residential properties, commercial real estate, or a mix, tailored solutions help you manage each aspect effectively. So this approach not only ensures accuracy, but also provides insights specific to each investment, aiding in even more informed decisions. Oops, I went ahead a slide. Our R-Factor coaching program is designed to work hand in hand with your financial data with Partners in Bookkeeping. So it's understanding the story behind the numbers And this program helps you to build resilience in the face of market volatility, forge strong relationships for better deals, manage risks intelligently, and drive tangible results. So a holistic approach is where this financial acumen meets strategic foresight, a combination that is essential for long-term success in REI. We're going to skip past that just for sake of time for you. As tax season approaches, the value of meticulous bookkeeping becomes even more evident. With our specialized bookkeeping services, tax prep becomes a smoother process, not a frantic scramble. So we ensure that you're not only compliant, but also strategically positioned to make the most of real estate specific tax benefits. This proactive approach means that you face tax season with confidence, armed with detailed and accurate financial reports. But John asked me to dive just a little bit deeper into some tax saving strategies that we have for REI. So it is crucial to discuss these tax saving strategies that can significantly enhance your financial efficiency. So first, depreciation benefits. As a real estate investor, you can leverage depreciation of your properties to offset income. By depreciating the cost of your property over its useful life, you effectively reduce your taxable income each year. It's essential to work with knowledgeable bookkeeper and accountant who can help you accurately calculate and claim depreciation deductions. Also utilizing the 1031 exchanges. This allows you to defer paying capital gains taxes when you sell a property, as long as you reinvest its proceeds into another like-kind property. This strategy is not just about deferring taxes, but it's about using your capital more effectively to grow your real estate portfolio. For many real estate investors, mortgage interest is a significant expense. So what's the good news? This interest is generally tax deductible. This deduction can lower your taxable income, and it's key reason to why leveraging debt in real estate can be so powerful. Now, don't overlook the deduction available for operating expenses and repairs. Things like maintenance costs, property management fees, and even travel expenses related to your real estate activities can be deductible. So accurate bookkeeping is essential here to track these expenses throughout the year. Thanks to recent tax reforms, many real estate investors are now eligible for the pass-through deduction, allowing you to deduct up to 20% of your real estate business income. This is a significant deduction that can reduce your overall tax liability. And finally, consider the benefits of contributing to a self-directed retirement account. Certain types of retirement accounts, like a self-directed IRA or a solo 401k, can be used to invest in real estate, providing both tax advantage growth and additional avenues for investing in properties. Incorporating these tax saving strategies into your real estate investing plan can have a significant impact on your profitability. As specialized bookkeepers, Partners in Bookkeeping's role is to ensure you are well equipped with accurate financial data and insights to make the most out of these strategies. So if effective tax planning is an ongoing process, then it should be an integral part of your financial strategy as an REI. If you have any specific questions about these strategies or how they can be applied in your situation, feel free to reach out. We are here to help you navigate the complexities of your real estate investing and tax planning to maximize your success. I do want to open the floor if anybody has any specific questions at this time. This is your opportunity to seek clarity on any specific challenges you face in real estate investing, or to dive deeper in how our bookkeeping or coaching services can be tailored to your unique needs.
Thank you, Katelynn. I think you brought up some really good points there. And I know one of the things in particular, one size doesn't fit all. You kind of said that. And that's one reason I'm glad you showed up here today, because a lot of us do have very specific questions. What's the best way for someone to get a hold of you if they'd like to go in a little bit deeper on their own personal situation?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen here so you can see my face better. I have a Nebraska number. It's 308-660-2560. You could also check out my website. It's partnersinbookkeeping.net. There is hyphens between each word, so I'll go ahead and put that in the chat as well. Don't forget, bookkeeping has